Hello friends, welcome to this exciting video. In this video we will talk about 5 amazing gadgets that you can easily buy online. If you want to know more information about these products, there are links in the description. Our first Gadget is 3-in-1 RC micro drone with LED light and safe technology. It's a best gift for beginners and kids. Remote control car mode. Glide effortlessly across multiple surfaces including carpet, concrete, asphalt, packed earth, and more. Hovercraft mode. Turn on this mode when it is in shallow water with no waves. Drone mode. Make any indoor space your playground. Flying is easy, even for beginners. Safe angle mode provides self-leveling and limited pitch and bank angles to keep the craft stable and level when you let off the sticks. 1 key return. The drone can fly back automatically according to the takeoff coordinates simply to make the mini drone easy to operate. Headless mode. Once activated, the pilot is able to fly the drone to any location without the need to worry about which direction the drone is facing. Strong stability and ease of control. The extra batteries allow you to play with the mini drone, prepared to spend more time doing what you love. The creatively designed LED lights are fitted for night flight possibilities, leaving a beautiful landscape in the night sky. The e-mark is a wireless electronic marking device. Using an app on a mobile device, users can create and change their full-color prints as often as needed. The app features a custom-designed studio as well as numerous editable templates and stock messages to fulfill all marking needs. Easily upload logos, signature files and so much more. Great for branding, advertising, labeling, numbering, time, date marking, barcode, QR coding and shipping and receiving. It offers up to 5,000 multi-color impressions with just 1 ink cartridge. Fast data transfers and the flexibility to switch impressions easily. Individual imprint designs. Ready-to-use stamps. Works on a variety of absorbent surfaces including paper, cardboard, wood, and paper bags. Includes e-mark device, multi-color ink cartridge, USB cable, power adapter, charging station, and quick setup guide. 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Cycle spoke lights for wheel. These LED bike lights for wheels from Active Life are the hottest new thing to hit so-called and trend-setting cities across America. Fun basket stuffing for kids or Easter gifts for men who have everything, wife, son or daughter. Your bike will turn heads, for sure. Each box lights 1 wheel so you can mix or match colors. Get ready to ride in style this summer. Only available on Amazon. Be safe. Gain increased visibility from all directions so you and your loved ones are safer in low light conditions. Normal bike lights can only be seen from the front and back. With active lights, your bike will stand out from all angles, whether you are moving or not. Want even more attention? Switch from constant on to flashing mode. Get yours now. You want easy installation? You got it. These super cool LED bicycle rim lights fit more bikes, no tools required. Our patent-pending active lights are the only brand that uses durable silicone bands to hold your ultra-bright lights securely in place. It is a waterproof product you expect that comes with a fast, easy installation, lifetime manufacturer's warranty and batteries. Yes, batteries are included so you're ready to ride, right out of the box. If you want to buy any product, the links are given in the description. POWERUP electric paper airplane. The first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane using state-of-the-art technology. POWERUP 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach POWERUP 3 and install the app, and it works out of the box. In the back of the module or a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front there's an advanced ship with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast out of juice. Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. Is Siler and in his career as a pilot, planes should be building when flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the POWERUP 3 are super durable and crash proof. But here's where Shy made it really cool. POWERUP 3's smart shape is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical POWERUP 3 is ready for production. This is where Shy need your magic. You'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back POWERUP 3 and help make the magical Earth. Yank wireless charger. Designed with leather surface, not only provides sleek and modern style, but also premium copper coil makes the charge safer and has a good heat dissipation. This wireless charging pad supports 3G enabled phone to be charged simultaneously. Suitable for both home and office. And easy to take it with you when go out or traveling. LT in protection such as short circuit, overload, overheat, and overcharge ensure your phone and charger are kept safe. Four-inch leather pad generates less heat and keeps output constant, prolonging your phone's battery life. The DC charging adapter provide a more stable charging than other type chargers or USB